Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus PowerPoint. We'll explore their distinct purposes and functionalities to help you decide which application best suits your needs. Excel is a powerhouse for handling large datasets, performing intricate calculations, and generating detailed charts. PowerPoint, on the other hand, shines when you need to convey information visually through slides, images, and concise text. Understanding their core strengths is key to maximizing your productivity. Excel is your go-to for anything involving numbers and data manipulation. Imagine managing a budget of $100,000 or tracking sales for 500 products. Excel handles it with ease. You can use formulas to calculate percentages, averages, and totals, making financial reporting or scientific data analysis straightforward. Its ability to organize and visualize complex information through charts and pivot tables is truly powerful for deep insights. When your goal is to present information clearly and engagingly, PowerPoint is the superior choice. It allows you to craft a narrative using a sequence of slides, incorporating high-resolution images, embedded videos, and even audio clips. Whether you're pitching a new project to a team of 20 or delivering a lecture to 200 students, PowerPoint helps you communicate your message effectively and leave a lasting impression. So, when should you use each? If you're crunching numbers, building a complex financial model, or managing a database with thousands of entries, Excel is indispensable. For sharing insights, training, or marketing, where visual impact and storytelling are paramount, PowerPoint is your best friend. Sometimes you might even use both, analyzing data in Excel and then presenting key findings in PowerPoint. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.